Alright guys, this is going to be an interesting video. I want to talk about currencies. I don't want to tell you what to do, but I want to give you an idea of what people are doing. So, cryptocurrency is a bubble, 100%, no question about it. The question is, when does the bubble burst? What factors need to be created for a bubble to burst? That's the biggest question. So, right now, there's very few amount of transactions going on in Bitcoin. Compared to the speculation and the amount of money that's being dumped into the currency, there's almost no transactions going down, and people are still buying. What that means is that it's fundamentally not the best currency, considering that what it's used for is to hold value. Now, you can never have less currency. You can't have less Bitcoin than you had today. Tomorrow there will be more Bitcoin, which means that it's going to be less expensive. And this is the whole evolution of cryptocurrencies, is that some are mineable and some are non-mineable. If the currency is non-mineable, that means there's a set amount of cryptocurrency and it's not gonna go up. I would recommend buying those cryptocurrencies. I'm going to buy some myself. I'm already looking at a few that I want, that are really inexpensive in price, that could possibly go to a crazy dollar amount. But Bitcoin, it could hit $40,000, but then it could plummet down to 10. Here's the point I'm trying to make. The fundamentals for cryptocurrency, I can't even say cryptocurrency because they're different. There's mineable and non-mineable. There's blockchains and non-blockchains. There's all different kinds of cryptocurrencies.
I'm gonna jump behind you.
Yeah, go for it. Hey!
Look at this guy, invest in Bitcoin. Look at how he is right now.
He's a millionaire. He's a Bitcoin millionaire, guys. That's what they look like right here.
Yeah, like right here.
Right here. So here's the lowdown. It's a bubble. It's gonna pop eventually. If there's so much of a currency, it can't hold its value. I mean, we mine Bitcoin, so the more miners there are, the less it's gonna be worth. Right now, what's driving the price up is speculation. It's not fundamentals that are driving Bitcoin up. It's speculation. This is the worst part about it. This is why I suggest if you live in Las Vegas or anywhere near a casino, don't even invest in currency. Go down, put your money on red or black, and just walk away. I mean, honestly, you can lose all of your money. If you think you can't lose your money in currency, you're fucking crazy. It's a bubble. Even if it gets to 40K, what's it at right now? 16,500? If it gets to 40K, it could go to 100K. It's just so volatile. This is the most volatile thing that's ever existed in all of time. It's like, it's going to be the most volatile thing over the next 5 years. Who knows when it's gonna be regulated and when the regulation comes and that. See, right now, I hate to say this, but it's not regulated. The currency hasn't gone through a significant tax season, okay? Once tax season comes, regulations are gonna come. People that are buying currencies to transfer it out of the country, people that are laundering money using it, it's not gonna last forever. This is like a dream scenario for people. And plus, even when you're doing a transaction with currency, you have to literally have the transaction completely set up right away, or you're gonna lose, or you could possibly lose a ton of money right when you put your money in. It could just drop out of nowhere, and now you can't purchase what you're gonna purchase through your digital currency, or it could go up and you make money. But from where it's at now, it's hard to explain what it's doing. It only looks like it could come down, but it could keep going up. But at the end of the day, I live in Las Vegas. I'm a gamble. I know what it's like to gamble. I've lived here my whole life. Bitcoin is nothing but a gamble. So if you feel like gambling, go put your money in, enjoy. But don't act like you're gonna get that money back. That money could just disappear. $16,000 in currency, you could be worth 8 overnight. You lose half your money. It's up to you. I think that the speculation is overwhelming the fundamentals. I think that regulation is gonna come, and when regulation does come, the price is gonna drop dramatically. The illegal things that are happening within the currency, the companies that are wiring their money overseas with no costs, besides the currency costs, and the fact that it's laundering money. I mean, this isn't gonna go on forever. The US government is not going to let cryptocurrencies outplay them. It's an unregulated market. Even if the futures came out today, you're hoping to God that that is like going to not fail, because if that fails, it's definitely not going to be, you know, it's not going to make it any further. But they're doing good. People say that there's going to be a 40% drop. If it solidifies, if it comes down and consolidates, I will have more faith in it. But right now, it's literally a balloon. You might as well grab onto it. I got a friend who just he spent 10 grand at 15,000, then it dropped to a 12, and then it went back up to 16. I mean, honestly, if you feel like gambling, go put your money on it. That's all I got to say.